Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So it is that time. It is time for a new video. So this week you're going to be watching me recreate, or not recreate, you're going to be watching me create this wonderful new unit that I just made for our fall collection, and her name is Autumn, right? So Autumn has like very bright colors. Look at her. Yes, honey. So remember that this week is available for purchase on our website at lavishlocshair.com, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and drop any comments or questions below. If there's something that you want to see, make sure you drop them below, and then go ahead and follow us on all social media platforms at Lavish Locs Hair. So keep watching. I had a lot of fun making this wig. I did do the I did do the watercolor method, but then I also did another way because I don't like when the knots get the same color. I think it looks more natural when you're able to not color the knots. But you guys keep watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I will see y'all back in a few. Bye. Okay guys, so first I'm starting off with a 13x6 lace front wig, and it's just the natural blonde color, a 613, and I'm just parting off the lace section because I'm not going to submerge that in the water because, like I said in the intro, I don't want to color the knots. So I'm using Cajun Spice and Paprika. I couldn't find two of the same color, so I was like, these are close enough, so I'll mix them together. And then later on, I'm going to add a little cinnamon just to deepen the color. So I fill this sink up, not even halfway, I would say like a third of the way. And I'm just pouring maybe a quarter of the bottle into the water. And the water needs to be like lukewarm or even hot. And just mix it together, and I'm just gonna submerge the bottom part of the wig into the sink. And I'm just gonna keep flipping and flipping. Sorry guys, I didn't even realize that my shoulder was all up in the camera. I do apologize. So now I wanted a little more brown, like warm, deep in the color. So I'm using cinnamon, color 56. And then I'm just doing the same thing. And I'm really working it in there, and I think I let it sit in the water without any manipulation for about 5 minutes. But I'm being careful not to tint the lace because I do not want to color the knots because I do not like the way that looks. So now I'm gonna mix the Cajun Spice, the paprika, the cinnamon all into a bowl. I'm not mixing it with any developer, and I am going to use an applicator brush and apply it directly to the hair. And I'm just eyeballing it. I didn't measure it, I didn't put it on a scale. I'm just like, this looks about right. So I'm just going to paint it onto the hair. And when I get to the top portion where the lace is, I'm going to switch to a smaller applicator. I can't even talk today. I'm going to switch to a smaller applicator brush so that I can really truly get to the roots without getting it on the lace. So just parting it in small sections, and you're just going to paint it on there. See, I'm switching to a smaller brush just so I'm able to really get in there and paint the color on there, because the other brush was just way too big and I was feeling like I was going to get it on the lace and I was going to color the knots. Just was easier to work with. So I'm pulling the hair kind of tight because it allowed me to really see where I was applying it so that I didn't get it on the lace. And then later on, I'm going to take a mascara spoolie and I'm going to use that to kind of color the hair around the hairline and just go over any spots that I miss and to really grab any little hair that I might miss and get really close to the root of the wig. And notice that I'm redirecting the hair in some parts so that I can see the lace clearly and really separate the hair from the lace, and I can really get deep and get close and color every single hair, because I hate when you color a wig like that and you wash it out and you're like, oh, I have this big blonde streak that I didn't color. So I really took my time, combed it through, sectioned it, parted, did all of that good stuff just to make sure that I didn't have any missing patches. Because that would have been horrible. I probably would have cried. So then after I finished this process, I let this sit on the wig for, I think, like 25 minutes. It might have been longer because sometimes I get distracted and I go off onto another tangent. But I know I let this sit for a pretty hot second because I really wanted this color to penetrate into the wig. And then I washed it out. I didn't use any shampoo. I just used conditioner, and there you go. That's the color. So now it's time to tweeze and to really customize this hairline. And I'll probably do it like how I customize my hairlines, like soon. I should do that video soon. I don't think I showed you guys my technique. So that color is so pretty. It's so vibrant. It was so much fun. I just really, truly, once I saw this, I was like, ooh, I'm about to be cute. And clearly I was having issues with my stand. It didn't want to stay up. So I'm just parting it and I'm just tweezing it. See, the stand doesn't want me to be great. Every time I touched it, she would slide back down. So now we're gonna cut her. So this wig was originally, I think it was like a 16 or an 18 inch. And I cut about 2 to 3 inches off of her because I really wanted the bottom to be thick. And then also I added a half a bundle in there, and I'm going to give her a nice razor cut. So getting a great baseline at the bottom, and then I'm just going to go in there and add some soft layers. So now she's all cut. I'm going to do her in the middle part. First, I'm going to press back those baby hairs just to make sure my hairline is looking on point and it all checks out. And now I'm going to flat iron her. So I'm going to get my wax sticks. I can't talk. I'm getting my wax stick out. These are like tongue twisters today. And my thermal spray from Kenra, which also gives it a little bit of hold. And then I'm going to take my Babyliss flat iron and we are going to section her and part her off. We're going to section her and then flat iron her. I can't even talk today. That means it's getting too late for me. And like when I flat ironed this, I was like, ooh, this color is pretty. I think I also might have added some Olaplex oil. See, It won't let me be great. The mannequin head was giving me the business, or the mannequin stand was giving me the business. But it's so shiny, so silky, so free, and I love this. So guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and turn on your post notifications. And yeah, just keep watching. Remember, we drop a video every single Wednesday. And this wig is available for purchase on our website at lavishlocshair.com. So I'm going to prop her on and do my makeup and be ready to be dazzled. Okay guys, so I am officially donezo with this look. I love this look. I love the way it feels. I love the way it looks. I think I'm gonna play with a couple more styles with it. I decided to go with the baby hair because everybody on Instagram, not everybody, but majority of the people on Instagram said they liked it with the baby hair. So I'm gonna keep the baby hair. You know, I'm not a big fan of baby hair, but I'm going to keep it. Just remember that this wig is available for purchase. Her name is Autumn. So let's say hello to Autumn. And I'll put all of the details, and also you can shop on our website at lavishlocshair.com if you would like to purchase Miss Autumn. She's part of our fall collection. Let me turn it around. She's part of our fall collection. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and turn on your post notifications. Remember to join me next week, same time, same channel, here on our Lavish Locs channel. And remember to follow us on all social media platforms at Lavish Locs Hair. You can shop with us 24/7 at lavishlocshair.com. And then follow us on Twitter at Lavish Locs 1. All right, guys, y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Thank you so much for watching. I really, truly appreciate you guys. Yeah, if there's anything that you want to see, let me know. Any questions? I told you guys I will be an open book within reason. Okay. I'll be an open book. Thank you so much, guys. I will see y'all next week. Bye.